Gladys was looking to buy senior preferred at the end of last year. Every year there's an annual enrollment period for Medicare. So she was on my calendar for the last day of annual enrollment.
I went outside to get in the car and I fell. And then I didn't wake up until I was in emergency. I got a concussion and black and blue, and it was at night, and I was scared to drive because of getting over the concussion.
Well, she called a little bit later and said that she had fallen and is afraid of falling again. So she couldn't make it and needed to cancel her appointment. And I felt so bad for her because you could tell on the phone she was very heartbroken over this. Because I told her, today's the last day, we can't make exceptions.
I was in between appointments and overheard Barb talking to her on the phone and just offered to go out after my last scheduled appointment so I could go to her instead of having her come here to us.
And I said, Kevin, your last appointment's not going to get over to 6:30 at night. And he started at 8 in the morning, you know. And so I said, you really want to do this?
I consider that to be my job, so it's our job to work with the customers and do what we need to do to, you know, to help them enroll and understand their enrollment. And so just offered to go out. I mean, I didn't think much of it. It's my job.
So when he came in, I was so happy. I mean, it just made my whole day. And I told everybody about it around here.
Kevin tends to think this is just his job, but I think it's more than his job. You know, he truly cares about these people.
It's rewarding to be able to go out with a product like Senior Preferred and be able to save people money and give them extra coverage that's not usually covered through Medicare or supplements. And, you know, just give them a better value for their dollar. I mean, and it's good to be able to help good people. Not a lot of insurance that you can purchase where you can walk in and sit down with customer service and get help with your problems and get answers to your questions.
Well, I'm very happy to be back on Senior Preferred. I've had it a year now and I have no problems at all. Everybody takes good care of me. And Kevin, he's just, you know, I tell everybody about him.
I'm proud to work here. I mean, like I said, I've been here for 20 years. I wouldn't have stayed here if I wasn't proud of the products and the people and the service that we can provide locally here.
And they're always usually so grateful. So it's really kind of a fulfilling job.